Happy New Year, 2024. Who'd have thought it? Sounds a bit sci-fi, doesn't it? It's a bit like Blade Runner or something. I was planning another video for today. I was out yesterday in Brick Lane and recording with this, the Insta360, and it all went a bit Donald Trump corrupt. Like, it's unusable, it's useless. Speaking to my friend Todd, and he said, why don't you just use the audio and put the images over the top? But he told me that after I deleted all of the video from the camera in anger. So what I decided to do instead, guys, was to create a video of my favourite images that I've taken in 2023. There's a mix of street photography and street portraits. Guys, please do leave a comment as well and just let us know what you'd like to see more of on the channel this year. Before I run the video, could I please ask you a small favour? Well, it might be a big favour. Just do me the absolute honour of subscribing to this channel. Guys, if you make that promise to me, I promise I'll make a promise to you. I promise I'll make a promise to you. I promise that I'll continue to grow this channel the best way I know how. I don't want to be doing anything half-assed. The more subscribers we have, the more time I can afford to give to this channel, to this process. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. Let's run the slideshow.
There's an empty room, a man that was brave. There's an empty space from a man that could not save. He's just another name. I feel his pain that pushed him off the train and washed him down the drain. It's dragging on, drag it along, drag it through the streets that falls behind. I can't see the day, although it's in my eyes. Drag it underneath as I absorb the grind. Waiting for the clock to crow for mine. Don't blow, my mind will explode. Waiting for the bell to ring so I can get out of bed and swing. Just another day that I pretend to sing. One time I tried to grab the jailer's key, but my world came crashing down on me. Sometimes it's just too hard to be free. Got trapped in a hurricane, spitting me insane. Every good deed I did always slapped me in the face. But I do the best I can not to take the blame for something I never did, but I was in the same. If you fall, I'll do my best to catch you. I'll do my best to save you, but don't expect a call. I'll be hiding in my bed from the world outside, hiding in the same four walls. One time I tried to paint the trees in bloom, but don't tell me I gave up too soon. Sometimes it's just too hard to leave my room. Just the other day, I found the courage in my feet to head to the street, but I didn't want to meet all the strangers outside. I thought that I'd be able to keep myself discreet, and just like I thought, I touched the door, reminded me of all the bad times before. My pockets were empty anyway, so I just decided to stay. I see the colors of the rainbow, but sometimes I don't see tomorrow. Sometimes it's just too hard to let go. Hey,
done. That's a wrap. Guys, thank you for all your support in 2023. Like, the messages I get on the wall, but also like in private over on Dare, warms the cockles of my heart. Like, community is so important. I mean, social gets such a bad rap, and I suppose deservedly so in some quarters. But I think the community here and over on Dare that we're building, I think it's a wonderful thing. It really is. All any of us really want anyway is to feel part of something, isn't it? To feel like we're progressing creatively. I think it's so important to have support to do that. So thank you once again. Let's create 2024 being a great one. If I've got anything to do with it, it will be. Love you all the world. Keep clicking, and I will see you on the next video. Out. Bloody thing.
I pretend to sing. One time I tried to grab the jailer's key, but my words